Welcome to Crypto Night. My name is Ife, and in this video I am going to show you an easy way you can make money in the cryptocurrency market. As a trader, for you to become profitable, you need to create a strategy, backtest that strategy. If this is a working strategy over a period of time, then this is how you are going to consistently make profit in your trades. Right now, I am going to show you an easy strategy that I am currently using. If I go over to Bybit, you can see that I am currently in two short positions. Right here is my entry price, my liquidation price, and I am currently in a bit of profit. I am going to show you this strategy that I am currently using in my trades. Keep in mind that various strategies perform under various market conditions. You need to consider if the asset you are trading is in an uptrend, a downtrend, or basically moving sideways within a range. Before I continue, I would like to let you know that on Bybit, you can trade with bonus. There are various bonus that you can get on your first time deposit. My link is going to be in the description of this video. Right now, I am on the Bitcoin USDT price chart, and this is the daily time frame. To access this indicator, you would have to go to the indicators and strategies section. You click on this. We are going to search for Hall Suit. Right here, this indicator, the Hall Suit strategy, this is what we are going to use in this video. So you go ahead and click on this. This is exactly what you would see. Right now, you can go ahead and hide this panel because we are not going to use this exact strategy in this video. This right here is the indicator we are going to use in this video. If I zoom out, you would see that this indicator comprises of two colors, the red color and the green color. Basically, the red color shows a downtrend and the green color shows an uptrend. For you to better use this indicator to make profitable trades, I would have to adjust the settings so that it can reduce the amount of fakeouts in the chart. You click on this. The only thing you are going to change is this right here, the length from a 55 to a 200. This would help reduce the number of fakeouts when using this strategy, and it would increase the percentage win rate when you are using this indicator. Right now, I would go ahead and click on OK. You can see that the indicator has been properly adjusted and there are little to no fakeouts in this indicator. You can see a text right here. What this means is that this is a good level to enter a long position. And when you do this, there is a high chance of you making profits in the nearest future. For example, let's say I was to enter a long position at this given signal, I would get a chance to take my profit at a higher level. You can see that from this level, the price continued in an uptrend. And if I was to enter at around this price point to the point of exit, you can see that this is over a 200% move to the upside. Now let me show you another example when you want to enter a short position. You can see right here at this particular price point, this indicator is showing a short signal and it is also displaying a red color which shows downtrend in the price chart. If I was to enter at around this level, I would get a chance to take my profit at a lower level when I enter a short position. From this particular point to the potential take profit region at around this level, you can see that this is over 40% move to the downside. This is a very good indicator and could make you consistent profit over time. Now keep in mind that this is on the daily time frame. That means each candle you see here is represented by 1 day. And this move would take a very long time to play out, but it is most likely to be a profitable trade. Now let's go forward in price and I will show you more examples. You can see right here that this is another example of a short signal using this indicator. The signal was given at around this price point. If you had entered a position at around this level, you would get a chance to take your profit at a lower level. About a 35% move to the downside. Next to it is another example of a long position. This right here is a good signal and this made over a 35% move to the upside. You can also see that this strategy is very good and you can use it to make profits over time. You may see few fakeouts when using this strategy, such as this. This right here is a good example of a fakeout. But soon after, there was a good buy signal. And if you had entered at around this level, you would have made a good amount of profit. As you can see, the price continues to go in the upward direction and this would make you a lot of money just using this indicator in your trades. This right here is one of the best signal from this indicator if you had entered at around this level and taking your profit at a higher level. This is over a 400% move to the upward direction. This is basically how to use this strategy, and you can make a lot of profit long term. When using this indicator, you can also develop a trading strategy. This strategy would show you exactly when to enter a trade and when to exit a trade. For example, if I was to use this indicator, I would use this together with another indicator. I am going to use two indicators to help me with my trading strategy. If I was to bring out a second indicator, this would be a momentum based indicator. You go over to the indicators and strategy section right here and you search for squeeze momentum. The first result right here by Lazy Bear is what we are going to use in this video. So I would click on this. This right here is exactly how the indicator is going to look like. And to better improve my strategy and reduce the number of fake outs in this indicator, I would have to change the settings. You can go over to this section right here and you click on this. What we are going to do is to change this KC length from 20 to 100. Then click on OK. You can see that this indicator correlates with our strategy, and you can use the squeeze momentum indicator together with the whole suit indicator. This right here is a trend based indicator, and the squeeze momentum indicator is a momentum based indicator. So these are two different types of indicators that we are going to use in one strategy. Right now, I am going to show you an example of how to use these two indicators to make profitable trades. Now let's go forward in price. You can see right here, when you get the long signal, the squeeze momentum indicator would give you a green signal, which shows a confirmation of this trade. When you see these two indicators giving the same signal, that is the best time to enter a long position, and I would get the chance to take my profit at a higher level. So that's how you use these two indicators to help clarify your entry point and your exit point. If you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section and I will try answer them. Right now, this is going to be it for this video, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.